To order a complete battery replacement kit, please visit our website at newpower99.com. newpower99.com, giving new life to your old stuff. Begin by removing the 4 screws on the back of your Garmin using the special tool provided in your kit from newpower99.com. Carefully open your Garmin as shown. Open the latch to disconnect the ribbon cable. Remove the 4 screws securing the circuit board. Gently lift the circuit board out of its compartment. Disconnect the original battery. Remove the original battery. Place a new extended life battery from newpower99.com into the battery compartment. Connect your new battery. Carefully replace the circuit board. Replace the 4 screws. Reconnect the ribbon cable as shown. Gently snap your Garmin shut. Replace the 4 screws. Turn on your Garmin with its newly installed battery from newpower99.com. Your Garmin should now work perfectly. Be sure to charge the device for at least 2 hours before continuing to use. Newpower99.com, giving new life to your old stuff.